Let's say you have a multi-page document, such as my newsletter here, and you want a page number on every page but don't want to type it all in manually. You can see here I've put some placeholders where I want the page numbers to be. Go to your Pages panel and then identify your main master page. It's probably called A Master. Double click on it to open it and then zoom in where you want the page number to be. If you put some placeholder text already in, you can select it, otherwise click into a text frame. Then go to the Type menu, go all the way down to Insert Special Character, Markers, Current Page Number. It'll insert an A if A is the name of your master. Now mine's a facing Pages master, so I'm going to quickly scroll over to the right and do the same thing again. I could go back to the Type menu. I can also right click. I'll find the same command here, Insert Special Character, Markers, Current Page Number. You can then go back to your Pages panel, double click on any of your document pages and you'll find every page has been numbered automatically, just how they appear in the panel.